In a world where risks abound, we will find ourselves navigating numerous factors that may shape our perception of risk. In this module, we have identified three key risk characteristics that affect people's perception of risk, namely threat, unfamiliarity, and the degree of exposure to the risk object. Risk objects that are high on threat or unfamiliarity, or that place a larger number of people at adverse risk, generally cause us to perceive them as being riskier. As we look to the future, how would the risks that we normally consider to be dreaded, unfamiliar, and high in exposure evolve? Would society view them to be even more or perhaps less risky? And how does your perception influence your decisions about whether to stay at home, visit a doctor, or make travel plans? In this module, we also learned how people tend to rely on mental shortcuts, such as the availability heuristic, the representativeness heuristic, the anchoring and adjustment heuristic, and especially one's affect or feelings to help them form judgments efficiently. Reliance on these heuristics can lead to biases such as the confirmation bias or the optimism bias. These biases can result in serious misjudgments of risk. The next time you assess a risk object, consider how your feelings are guiding your perceptions and explore whether you are ignoring certain information in order to support a judgment you have already made. Would someone who feels differently about it arrive at the same judgments you have? And why or why not?